This is an overview of Jackrabbit and the weekly calendar. To access, open a web browser and start typing in Jackrabbit. Something like this will come up. Jackrabbit client login is usually a good place to start. That'll bring you right to the login page. Type in your username, password. Caps doesn't matter on the user ID. So this is the main home page. You can search families here, which is helpful. We use mostly the families tab for registrations, classes tabs for waitlist with openings, clock to launch the clock, reports for absences makeups. We don't use a lot of this other stuff, so you don't need to worry about that. Weekly calendar is the weekly view. We use this a lot on a daily basis for scheduling makeups and looking for open classes. If someone needs to transfer or change their class time. Something that's really helpful is the change criteria button. You can select the location, teacher, the category, which is the level. For some reason, Jackrabbit doesn't let you select two different items in the category boxes, so just choose to use one of the category boxes, but you can select multiple ones by holding down the control button and clicking. So if, for example, if someone comes in and they need to find a level 2 and a parent need class at the same time, just hold down control and click submit. And this will show you where they have those classes all at the same time. So that's helpful for stuff I'll show you later on, but the main thing you want to know is just that this is where you can find all the classes and all the locations, and they're color coordinated by levels, which is good to know. So you can start to remember what color means which level by scrolling over them. That's where the level 1A, level 3, and that's it.